Welcome back, Krishmani. Every year when railway budget is presented in Parliament, we hear cries of injustice to Karnataka. I know you as DRM cannot introduce new trains or increase the frequency of trains, that is the railway minister's job. But as DRM of Bangalore division, do you have a vision for Bangalore? Doesn't the city need better connectivity, more trains, more long distance trains, more Shatabdis?
Yes, I agree with you. So let me first talk about trains. For example, this Shatabdi to Chennai, it's very well patronized. And even the Shatabdi to Mysore, I mean, it's not that well patronized between Mysore and Bangalore, but between Bangalore and Chennai, again, it's near run full. So yes, we definitely need more trains. So running more trains needs improved infrastructure, for not only for receiving and dispatching trains, but also for maintaining the trains. And in that direction, only the expansion of Bangalore city or creation of a new terminus at Baipanhalli is under consideration, as I told you. At this point, as I said, Bangalore city is quite saturated, but we do have some allowance to go for some new trains at Yeshwantpur. So every year, at least 4 or 5 trains are added, starting from Bangalore. This year already, for example, two new trains have been added between Mysore and Bangalore in this year itself, after April 11. More and more trains have to come because number of passengers is growing.
We have a lot of floating population.
Yes. So we need this third terminal urgently. So apart from the world-class station project, we have sent a proposal to our railway board for making a third coaching terminal on a shorter scale, not on world-class scale, but on a shorter scale in Baipanhalli, so that we can begin with some 5 to 6 trains starting from Baipanhalli and terminating at Baipanhalli. So that should take care of maybe coming 2-3 years. But in the long term, of course, we need a large terminus. That's as far as trains are concerned. As far as existing facilities and their enhancement from passengers, we have plans for Bangalore. If you know, Bangalore has 2 entries, Bangalore city. One is, of course, the main, and the other one is called second entry or Oaklipuram. So it has no station building at present, no concourse. So a large concourse with underground parking is under construction. And at the rate the work is going, we expect to complete it by 15th of March. And it will have very good access for vehicles as well as passengers coming on foot or otherwise. In the long run, a signal-less corridor has to come up at Oaklipuram. And this is an ambitious project of state government. We have made our plans in a manner that our entry and exit from the station, that second entry, is totally in line with the Oaklipuram signal-less corridor. So once that comes up, it would be driving in and out of the station would be very easy. Similarly, we have plans for Yeshwantpur station also to enhance the entry and exit on platform 1.
As of now, it's only one, Yeshwantpur?
Entries and exit? No, it has 2. What we call the Tumkur Road end is fairly spacious with good parking and good entrance and so on. But what is the platform 1 entrance is next to the vegetable market, and it is very congested. So we on our part is trying to expand the circulating area there and entry and exit to the station. We have been requesting BBMP to do something about the very congested vegetable market there. So plans are afoot to definitely improve both Yeshwantpur and Bangalore City Station. The response has been positive, but I guess it's not a very easy problem to solve for them because that market has been there for ages. Meanwhile, by rationalizing entry and exit, part of the problem would be taken care of. Widening of the street or freeing the street of vendors, and that's something they will have to do over the course of time.
Fine, fine. Anything more on this issue? On this issue, you want to say anything more?
No, I think it's okay.
Mr. Mani, there has been a long-standing demand for Shatabdi between Bangalore and Mumbai, Bangalore and Kolkata, Bangalore and Hyderabad. There should be more Shatabdis, don't you think? I think as of now, there is only one Udyan Express to Bombay.
Okay, so basically you're talking about trains to Bombay.
Fast trains.
Yeah. We have Udyan and we have two more trains to Bombay. One is, of course, Chalukya, which goes to the other 6 days a week. And we have a train coming from Coimbatore going to Korla, which is a daily train. But yes, considering the size of both the cities,
Yes.
we should have more
Similarly for
trains. Yes.
Calcutta or Hyderabad.
Right. So, of course, it would be more like you could say a Duranto concept of train, because Shatabdi is usually a day train. It's a day train, whereas Bombay journey would not be that short. So there is a need, and I think Railway Board is aware of it, and I think we should soon see another
Mr.
faster
Mani,
train to
whenever
Bombay.
the railway budget is prepared,
Yeah.
do the railway board authorities ask DRMs to send in their suggestions regarding their divisions?
Yes, all the time. You see, there are so many stakeholders, the local public, which is the main stakeholder in terms of, because they are the travelers, and their demands are articulated not only through members of parliament, members of legislative assembly, but also passenger association. And every day in my post, I get at least 3-4 demands, and we hold frequent meetings with representatives of public leaders. So all the demands of the public at large, not only short distance but also long distance from various communities, there's a very large Malayali community in Bangalore. Their demands on travel to Kerala, on days they want to travel, and so on. All that is taken into account and consolidated and sent to our head office in Hubli, which in turn goes through it, and those they consider justified. It is sent to Railway Board. So there is a process. There's a due process, and all the stakeholders are definitely heard. And that's how the trains, you would find, whichever trains are announced, more often than not,
Based
they
on
are
public
popular.
demand.
And that's why they are usually popular.